Hi, let's show you how to use any sanitizer. It is important because what happens is we tend to forget certain areas which is important to, be sanitized. Take a pump. Now a pump may not be enough, so you can take 2 pumps. Okay. Then go around here, in between, right there. Don't forget the thumb, this is the area. Please go at the back, and if you need more, take some more. So maybe we can do it with 3, which is going to be better. And go right up, whatever is left, just go right up your hand as far as it could go. And of course, don't forget the nails. So what I like to do is do it like this and put it into the nails. And now this is little Alex, and he also uses the sanitizer. In fact, he really loves the sanitizer and uses it to the optimum. So this is how he's going to show us how to use it. Come on, Alex. 2, 3 pumps. Okay. Now कर दो मेरा ऐसे. ठीक है ऐसे. ऐसे. Then ऐसे देखो. ऐसे. Yes. ऐसे अंदर. Okay. And then पीछे करना. ओके ठीक है. देन थोड़ा ऊपर जाना, ये से करना एंड ये से करना. स्मेल करो. अच्छा या